Fak Sao is usually it's not on the Tse Sao, you know. It's hard to do Fak Sao, but it's losing hand punch. Loose hand to do the Fak Sao. So during contact, you can't do the Fak Sao. So you punch. Well, that's Fak Sao. So on Tse Sao maybe when you hand loose, it's a similar like you punch. But Fak Sao is stronger. Yeah. Usually after Fak Sao you can do beauty. Fak Sao you can do Lap Sao. Fak Sao also Wang Zhang. So first Fak Sao beauty. Fak Sao Lap Sao. Fak Sao Hak Sao Wang Zhang. 3 technique. Fak Sao beauty Wang Wang. Fak Sao Lap Sao. Fak Sao Hak Sao. Okay. Any questions? If I contact opponent's hand, if they're strong, hold on. See, that's how it works. So more tense they are, you see. Yeah, then you pull them. You pull them down and then chop the floor. Pull them down, cover, chop. So if you are not chopping, maybe no. So you pull down, boom. Double your jaw. That's a champion. So pull, but make sure when you do the Tse Sao, don't step in. Bam! Who have bigger head will win. He will not be done. So you pull, bam! Because they are already leaning forward. Pull. Okay? Try with your partner.